And something new that you'll see in the daily coronavirus health department updates are the names of nursing homes and assisted living facilities with coronavirus cases. There are now more than 1,600 residents or staff at long-term facilities statewide who have tested positive for COVID-19. But the state is not saying how many people have died at each facility. Now, those nursing homes' names will be updated along with the daily case numbers from the Florida Department of Health, and they release those twice a day. And today, our case numbers are they've shot past 26,000. Let's take a look at those, shall we? Here are the total case numbers for today. 774 people have died and more than 3,800 people have been hospitalized. The Florida Department of Health updates these numbers again twice a day, and you can even see a breakdown of cases by zip code and your county. White House Coronavirus Task Force member Dr. Brick says that this amount of detailed information is key to keeping Americans safe.
You go to the Florida Public Health website on COVID. They've been able to show their communities cases and tests, district by district, county by county, zip code by zip code. That's the kind of knowledge we need to put into the hands of American people so that they can see where the virus is, where the cases are, and make decisions.